Hi everyone, this is Jay Torres. Welcome back to Wood You Like to Make. Today, we've got an exciting unboxing lined up for all the tool enthusiasts and DIYers. We're going to take a close look at a brand new impact driver model, the latest release, of course, from Bosch. Right here, I've got the Bosch GDR 18V-220 cordless impact driver. This is one of Bosch's latest models in their professional 18-volt lineup, and it's packed with features. Whether you're a pro or a DIYer, this tool promises serious power in a compact design. We're talking 220 Newton meters of torque, 2-speed settings, and it even has Bluetooth connectivity for advanced control options. I'm excited to show you what's inside and give you a first look at its features. So, stick around as we dive into this powerful and versatile impact driver from Bosch. Wood you like to make. Alright, let's take a look inside and see what Bosch has packed in here. The box is compact but feels solid, just like the impact driver itself. We've got the usual paperwork here, user manual, and some details on Bosch Be Connected service. Definitely worth checking out if you want to extend the warranty. Belt clip and spare bit holder. And here it is, the Bosch GDR 18V-220 cordless impact driver. Look at this sleek design. Right out of the box, you can tell it's built for power and precision. At just 113mm, it's compact enough to get into tight spaces while still packing that impressive 220 Newton meters of torque. I'm going to attach the battery now so we can dive into its features. One feature I really appreciate is the one-handed bit insertion on the 1/4-inch hex chuck, which is perfect for fast bit changes. Plus, these dual LED lights, great for working in low light situations. Bosch really thought about practicality here. It's got a comfortable grip and the build feels balanced. And at this size, it's going to be a breeze to work with, even in hard to reach spots. This model is designed to handle various materials with 3-speed settings, so you get that precision control. Also, this impact driver includes 2 specialized working modes, Mode A and Mode B, which enhance user control for different applications. When using working mode A, the power tool reduces the speed when tightening, and when using working mode B, the power tool automatically stops as soon as the screw is screwed all the way in. We'll dive into each of these features in action later, but first impressions, this looks like a powerful addition to any tool collection. Now that we've got the Bosch GDR 18V-220 out of the box, let's see what it can really do. We'll start by exploring some of the key features up close and testing out its power on different materials. First, let's talk about this powerful brushless motor. Not only does it deliver up to 220 Newton meters of torque, but it's also designed to last longer and run cooler than standard motors. This means more efficiency and less maintenance over time. One feature I love is the 3-speed torque setting. With this, you can really dial in the power you need, whether you're driving screws into wood or tackling tougher materials like metal. Alright, let's start with a test on wood using the lowest setting. This is great for delicate jobs where you don't want too much force. Let's see how it handles. As you can see, it's driving smoothly without over-torquing. This setting is perfect for small screws or materials that would split if you apply too much force. Now, let's take it up a notch. I'll switch to the medium setting and try it on this tougher hardwood. This is where that 220 Newton meters of torque really comes in handy. Alright, for our next test, I'm going to drive this 5-inch wood screws straight into this wood block. This is a real test of torque and power. If the Bosch GDR 18V-220 can handle this, it will have no problem with heavy-duty tasks around the shop or on the job site. I've got it set to the highest torque setting, so we're using the full 220 Newton meters here. Let's see how it performs. Look at that! Going right in with no hesitation. The tool maintains steady speed and control, which is exactly what I want for a long screw like this. As you can see, the GDR 18V-220 handled it beautifully. No overheating, no struggle, it just powers through. That's where the brushless motor and high torque really shine. So, if you're working with large wood screws like this, you can count on this impact driver to get the job done quickly and smoothly. Plus, the compact size means I can use it comfortably even in tight spots without losing power. No problem at all. It handles it smoothly and there's plenty of power left. Now, let's go to the highest setting, which is perfect for really tough materials, even metal. Look at that! It drives right through without a hitch. That's the kind of power you want if you're working on heavier duty projects. Another standout feature of the GDR 18V-220C is its connectivity. Using the Bosch Toolbox app, you can connect to the driver and customize settings like torque levels or track tool performance. This adds a whole new level of control, especially for pros who need specific settings for different tasks. You can even monitor the battery status and set notifications for maintenance. Unfortunately, I must mention that the Bluetooth connectivity feature of the GDR 18V-220C requires a separately sold Bluetooth module, which I currently don't have, so I won't be able to demonstrate this feature right now, but hopefully, I can show it to you next time. Speaking of batteries, this tool runs on Bosch's 18-volt battery system, which is compatible across a wide range of Bosch tools. So, if you're already invested in Bosch, you can easily swap batteries. And check out these dual LED lights. They make a big difference when working in low light areas, giving you the extra visibility you need. So, there you have it. The Bosch GDR 18V-220C cordless impact driver is compact, powerful, and full of features that make it a great addition to any toolkit. Whether you're a professional or a DIYer, this impact driver is ready to tackle a variety of tasks. If you enjoyed this unboxing and demo, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps support the channel and keeps me bringing you new content every week. And don't forget to follow my Facebook page for even more tips, reviews, and updates on the latest in tools and woodworking. Hit that notification bell so you're the first to know when new videos drop. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the Bosch GDR 18V-220C. Do you think it's a game changer? Or is there another tool you're curious about? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.